Honda Philippines and other neighboring countries like Indonesia and Thailand launched the new Honda Click125 for 2023 model, equipped with the latest technology. This scooter is powered by 125cc engine, liquid-cooled and enhanced Smart Power Plus engine, and also featured by USB charging port, keyless system and wider tire for better driving performance. Hi, welcome to Trending Moto. Honda Click is one of the famous scooter in this generation, that's why the M company from Thailand made this Click or Vario 125 electric version scooter that catches the eye of many scooter enthusiasts. Because of its sleek and sporty design, less maintenance and no fuel required, so you can save money on gas. This electric scooter can run up to 75 km/h with lithium battery, motor 3000 watts, equipped with double shock rear absorbers, 10 inches wheel size, front and rear disc brake. The price is 82,900 Thai baht or about 132,000 in Philippine peso.